There's a lot of history, a lot of culture in the whole area. It's home for me. I've worked and been in other communities, large communities. I like it here because I can go fishing, hunting, outdoors, a lot of skidooing, snowshoeing, and everybody's friendly. You don't have to lock your door, that kind of stuff. It's just unique. When they're doing a fur trade, they would have sometimes 12, 15 people to go up current. But when they got there, they put their supplies in to bring back to the forts. Well, over half of them would have to walk back. And you could still see an indentation on the east side of the Abitibi River where they used to walk all the way. And we're sitting on a gold mine, both culturally as well as history. I believe this is 1905 that they built this. Oldest manager's residence in an outpost setting in Ontario is what we've been told. Moose Factory is the old trade for the Hudson Bay. It goes back to the 1700s.
Moose Factory has more buildings from that era of the Hudson Bay Company. So there's the church, there's the old staff house, there's the powder magazine in the park, there's the blacksmith shop, there's the old Hudson Bay Company cemetery where you could only be buried there if you were with the company. And they have a Cree Culture Center at Moose Factory, which Kim Chichu runs. Is excellent. I recommend that. So there are some physical structures to look at. But again, I think one of the other exciting things is to also look around in our natural heritage. You are in Moosonee right now, but you're in the traditional territory of the Moose Cree First Nation. Some people call it the swamp. We call it the Muskeg. We're the people of the Muskeg or the Mushkegowuk people. It's wonderful to grow up where you can be comfortable on the land.
We're on the land all the time. It's just beautiful. It's beautiful. As soon as you see the river, you get on that river and it's glistening. It's just like, wow. There's something about the Moose River. It's the tides, you know, you don't see that anywhere else in Ontario. There's nowhere else. There's tides like that.
People don't realize that there's salt water here.
You'll smell the salt. And I'll say, put your hands over the edge of the boat, and they put their hand down, and I said, okay, now take the water and put it on your lips. And they're just like, oh my goodness, it's salt water, we're in the ocean.
We are in James Bay, the mouth of James Bay. We're actually in the middle between two bird sanctuaries. This is called Moose River Migratory Bird Sanctuary. There's one on each side of us, so right around now, this time, September, August, you got a lot of bird migration going on. So geese, ducks, herons, all sorts of wildlife. We're getting close to Nunavut now, but we're in Ontario.
People are coming and they want to meet us. They want to experience our lives. They want to know more.
Where else can you see bearded seals up on your dock?
We share a lot with our visitors, and not just about the history, but how we live. And they are very grateful for coming here to connect with us. It's not just tourism, it's learning experience for everybody that comes here.